What I wish I knew at school instead of algebra. Does cracking your knuckles cause arthritis? That pop? It's just gas bubbles bursting inside your joint fluid, not your bones grinding. Multiple studies, including a 60-year self-study by a doctor who cracked one hand daily, found no increased risk of arthritis. If it's painful, stiff, or swells after cracking, that's not normal. But the cracking itself? Totally harmless for most. So no, cracking your joints won't cause arthritis, but repeating myths without facts, that's the real pain. Follow MythBurst for more health truths, no fluff.